projected 30% market penetration in defense agriculture and surveillance industries by 2025. Date: February 10, 2025. Overview: the projected market penetration of 30% across the defense agriculture and surveillance industries by 2025 highlights a significant growth trajectory driven by technological advancements and geopolitical dynamics. 1. Defense Industry Insights. The defense sector is witnessing profound transformations largely influenced by escalating geopolitical tensions. According to Deloitte's 2025 Aerospace and Defense Industry Outlook, global defense expenditures surpassed $2.4 trillion in 2023, with expectations for continued increases as nations prioritize advanced technologies including unmanned systems and artificial intelligence (AI). The U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) has proposed an $849.8 billion budget for fiscal 2025, emphasizing investments in unmanned systems, rocket technologies, and the burgeoning space economy. Key trends: AI integration. Companies are expected to leverage AI for optimizing supply chains and enhancing maintenance processes, marking a broader operationalization of digital technologies in defense. Increased spending. Nations are responding to security concerns with heightened defense budgets influencing strategic spending in advanced technologies. Timeline of key events. 2023, global defense spending exceeds $2.4 trillion. 2025, anticipated budget of $849.8 billion for the U.S. DoD aligns with increased investments in unmanned systems and advanced technologies. 2. Agriculture sector developments. The agriculture market is projected to reach $15.5 trillion by 2025, with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 7.9%. This growth is driven by rising global food demand due to population growth projected to hit 10 billion by 2050, along with shifting consumer preferences toward healthier diets. Innovations such as precision agriculture and AI integration are enhancing efficiency and sustainability in the sector. Key innovations. Drones in agriculture. The deployment of drones for crop monitoring and management exemplifies the shift towards automation and data-driven farming practices, addressing both productivity and environmental concerns. Growth drivers. Food demand. The increasing population drives demand for food, necessitating enhanced agricultural productivity. Consumer preferences. A shift towards healthier diets is propelling growth in diverse agricultural products. 3. Surveillance industry trends. While specific data on the surveillance sector is limited, it parallels the growth observed in defense and agriculture, particularly in the adoption of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). The convergence of interests across these sectors highlights a shared focus on drone technologies for various applications, including surveillance. Market dynamics. The reliance on UAVs is expected to grow, with applications spanning defense, agriculture, and commercial sectors, indicating a trend towards integrated technological solutions. 4. Interlinking themes and divergences. Across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance sectors, several common themes emerge, particularly the integration of AI and unmanned systems as key growth catalysts. While defense spending is heavily influenced by geopolitical factors, the agriculture sector's growth is driven by market demand and evolving consumer behavior. Divergences. Defense focus, emphasis on enhancing military capabilities and readiness. Agriculture focus, driven by sustainability and efficiency improvements in food production. 5. Future outlook and strategic implications. The convergence of advanced technologies across these sectors suggests robust interlinkage that will shape market dynamics through 2025 and beyond. Key takeaways include: technological innovation. The emphasis on AI, unmanned systems, and precision farming will play a crucial role in addressing the demands of increased market penetration. Investment opportunities. Companies that strategically invest in integrating these technologies will likely position themselves favorably in the evolving market landscape. Projected market sizes by 2025. Defense, $849.8 billion. Agriculture, $15.5 trillion. Conclusion. The projected 30% market penetration across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025 underscores a transformative period marked by technological advancements and strategic investments. The interlinking of advanced technologies will not only redefine operational capabilities but also enhance efficiency in addressing the challenges of a rapidly evolving global landscape. As we approach 2025, stakeholders across these sectors must prioritize innovation to capitalize on emerging opportunities and navigate the complexities of market dynamics. The projected 30% market penetration in the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025 suggests a significant evolution driven by unexpected factors that challenge conventional wisdom. Here are some key counterintuitive elements in the provided content. 1. Defense spending driven by geopolitical dynamics versus technological advancements. While one might expect that advancements in technology alone would drive defense spending, the content indicates that geopolitical tensions are the primary catalyst for increased budgets. With the U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) requesting a record $849.8 billion for fiscal 2025. This highlights a counterintuitive notion that external political factors can overshadow technological innovation as the main driver of market growth. 2. Agricultural growth amidst global crises. The agriculture sector is projected to grow to $15.5 trillion by 2025, primarily due to rising food demand from a growing population and shifts toward healthier diets. However, this growth occurs in a context where climate change and political instability threaten food production. The juxtaposition of expected growth against potential crises suggests that agriculture might thrive despite significant challenges, which is a surprising outcome. 3. AI and automation in workforce recruitment. In the defense industry, there is a significant focus on using AI to enhance workforce strategies, which is often viewed as a threat to employment. Contrary to the belief that automation reduces job opportunities, the report suggests that digital technologies are being leveraged to attract talent and manage workforce challenges, including a critical shortage of skilled workers. This indicates a shift where AI is seen not just as a tool for efficiency but as an essential strategy for addressing human resource gaps. 4. Rising demand for healthier diets versus traditional agricultural practices. The increasing consumer preference for healthier diets is expected to drive agriculture's growth, yet this trend challenges the traditional, often less sustainable practices. Rather than simply relying on established agricultural methods, the shift towards organic and precision farming reflects a counterintuitive shift where the market adapts to consumer demands for sustainability and health, transforming production practices that have been in place for decades. 5. Surveillance and defense convergence. The report highlights how the surveillance industry is increasingly aligned with defense spending and technology. One might expect these sectors to remain distinct, however. The integration of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) for both military and commercial surveillance illustrates a trend where boundaries between military and civilian applications are blurring, suggesting a more holistic approach to technology deployment across sectors. 6. Supply chain resilience amid global disruptions. The aerospace and defense supply chain, often seen as vulnerable due to its complexity, is projected to focus on enhancing visibility and resilience. Despite significant challenges such as parts shortages and geopolitical tensions affecting shipping routes, the industry's response is to innovate rather than retreat. This counterintuitive outlook emphasizes the industry's adaptability in the face of adversity. 7. Advanced air mobility (AAM) as an urban solution despite challenges. The advanced air mobility (AAM) sector is gaining traction as a viable alternative to traditional transportation, yet it faces skepticism regarding its scalability and acceptance. The counterintuitive aspect here is the optimism surrounding AAM in urban contexts, where it is perceived as a solution to congestion and pollution despite the potential hurdles in regulation and public perception. Conclusion. The anticipated 30% market penetration across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025 showcases a landscape shaped by counterintuitive dynamics. Rather than following expected patterns of growth driven solely by technological advancements or market forces, these industries are reacting to a complex interplay of geopolitical, economic, and social factors. The blending of challenges and opportunities illustrates the potential for innovative solutions to emerge in response to both crises and consumer demands, redefining traditional notions of growth and operational strategies in these critical sectors. The projected 30% market penetration in defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025 encapsulates significant transformations across these sectors. While many may focus on the broad implications of such growth, several critical aspects tend to be overlooked, which can have profound implications for stakeholders involved. Noteworthy insights and their significance. 1. Integration of technologies across sectors. The report highlights the convergence of advanced technologies, particularly artificial intelligence (AI) and unmanned systems across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries. This integration is not merely a trend but a fundamental shift in operational capabilities that can redefine competitive advantages. Significance: understanding how these technologies can synergistically enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve decision-making processes is crucial. For example, in agriculture, the use of AI for precision farming can optimize resource use, reduce waste, and increase yields, while in defense, AI can streamline logistics and maintenance operations. Stakeholders who grasp this interconnection can better position themselves to leverage emerging opportunities across industries. 2. Geopolitical dynamics influence on defense spending. The report states that geopolitical tensions have led to escalating defense budgets, with the U.S. Department of Defense requesting an $849.8 billion budget for fiscal 2025. This surge in defense spending emphasizes the need for advanced technologies to maintain national security. Significance: the military-industrial complex's growth presents opportunities for tech companies and startups that can provide innovative solutions. Companies that can pivot or expand their offerings to meet defense needs will find lucrative markets. Additionally, understanding the geopolitical landscape can inform strategic planning and investment decisions for businesses in related sectors. 3. Sustainability and consumer demand in agriculture. The agriculture sector is on a growth trajectory to reach $15.5 trillion by 2025, driven by increasing food demand and consumer preferences for healthier diets. The emphasis on sustainable practices and the integration of technologies such as drones for crop management are crucial components of this growth. Significance: businesses that align their practices with sustainability can not only meet regulatory requirements but also cater to an increasingly eco-conscious consumer base. This shift towards sustainability can enhance brand loyalty and market positioning. Additionally, companies that innovate in digital farming technologies will likely capture significant market share as precision agriculture becomes the norm. 4. Surveillance industry's evolving landscape. While the surveillance industry data is less detailed, the trend towards the integration of UAVs in commercial applications suggests an expanding market. The convergence of defense and surveillance technologies underscores a shift in how security is approached in both public and private sectors. Significance: the dual-use nature of surveillance technologies indicates potential for cross-sector collaboration and innovation. Businesses operating in this space must be aware of ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks that govern surveillance technologies, as public sentiment and policy will increasingly shape market dynamics. Understanding these dynamics can foster responsible innovation and prevent backlash from stakeholders. 5. Workforce challenges and digital transformation. The aerospace and defense sectors face significant workforce challenges, including high turnover rates and an aging workforce. The report notes that companies are increasingly leveraging digital technologies like AI to attract and retain talent. Significance: organizations must prioritize workforce development strategies that integrate digital tools to streamline recruitment, training, and retention processes. Companies that invest in upskilling their workforce with emerging technologies will likely gain a competitive edge in productivity and innovation. Moreover, creating a culture of continuous learning will be critical in retaining top talent in these rapidly evolving industries. 6. Supply chain resilience amidst global challenges. The report emphasizes the ongoing supply chain issues affecting the aerospace and defense industries. Exacerbated by geopolitical tensions and environmental challenges, companies are urged to focus on supply chain visibility and resilience. Significance: a robust supply chain strategy is essential for mitigating risks associated with disruptions. Companies that adopt advanced analytics and digital tracking will enhance their operational resilience. As supply chain integrity becomes a competitive differentiator, organizations that proactively address these challenges will secure their places as market leaders. Conclusion: the projected 30% market penetration by 2025 in defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries signals a transformative period driven by technological innovation and changing consumer preferences. By paying attention to the nuanced insights outlined above, stakeholders can better navigate the complexities of these sectors, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and mitigate potential risks. Understanding the interconnectedness of technology, geopolitical dynamics, workforce challenges, and supply chain resilience will be crucial for achieving success in this evolving landscape. 1. Technological integration as a growth catalyst. The convergence of advanced technologies, particularly AI and unmanned systems, is significantly driving market penetration in the defense, agriculture, and surveillance sectors. In defense, AI is being leveraged to optimize supply chains and enhance military capabilities, while in agriculture, precision farming and drone technologies are transforming operational efficiencies. This technological integration enhances productivity, operational efficiency, and sustainability, suggesting a robust future for these industries as they embrace digital innovations. 2. Rising global demand and market growth. The anticipated growth in the agriculture market to $15.5 trillion by 2025, alongside the defense sector's projected budget of $849.8 billion, underscores a critical response to rising global demands. Population growth, expected to reach 10 billion by 2050, drives the need for increased food production and improved agricultural practices. Similarly, heightened geopolitical tensions are leading to escalated defense spending. This dual demand creates a fertile ground for companies operating within these sectors, as they cater to an expanding market with innovative solutions. 3. Strategic spending and investment trends. The strategic focus of defense spending on unmanned systems, rocket technology, and space capabilities reflects the overarching geopolitical climate influencing industry dynamics. The U.S. Department of Defense's significant budget requests indicate a prioritization of technological advancements. In agriculture, investments in sustainable practices and digital farming technologies signal a shift towards addressing food security and environmental challenges. The interplay of these trends highlights the importance of strategic investments in fostering industry resilience and innovation. 4. Supply chain visibility and workforce challenges. The complexities within the aerospace and defense supply chains, exacerbated by geopolitical tensions and market demands, necessitate enhanced visibility and efficiency. Issues such as parts shortages and labor turnover remain pressing challenges. Companies are increasingly adopting digital technologies to address these concerns, ensuring quality and reliability in sourcing. Concurrently, workforce challenges are prompting a renewed focus on talent acquisition and retention strategies, with an emphasis on integrating digital tools for training and operational planning. This indicates a shift towards a more adaptive and technologically proficient workforce, critical for sustaining growth in the evolving market landscape. 1. The Manhattan Project, 1942 to 1946. The Manhattan Project was a research and development project during World War II that produced the first nuclear weapons. Initiated in response to fears that Nazi Germany would develop atomic bombs, this massive undertaking involved the collaboration of scientists, military officials, and government agencies across the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. The project highlighted the integration of advanced scientific research and military application, leading to the development of the atomic bomb and fundamentally altering defense strategies and geopolitical dynamics. 2. The Green Revolution 1940s to 1960s. The Green Revolution refers to a period of agricultural transformation that involved the introduction of high-yielding varieties (HYVs) of crops, the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and advanced irrigation techniques. Spearheaded by scientists such as Norman Borlaug, this movement significantly increased food production in developing countries, particularly in Asia and Latin America, helping to alleviate hunger and prevent famine. The Green Revolution's reliance on technology and innovation parallels the projected advancements in precision agriculture and AI integration anticipated in the agriculture sector by 2025. 3. Operation Desert Storm 1991. Operation Desert Storm was the combat phase of the Gulf War, where a coalition of forces led by the United States expelled Iraqi troops from Kuwait. This operation showcased the effectiveness of advanced military technology, including precision-guided munitions, satellite communications, and surveillance systems. The success of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) and advanced reconnaissance techniques during this conflict laid the groundwork for the modern defense industry's focus on integrating AI and unmanned systems, similar to the projected growth in the defense sector by 2025. Future outlook: projected 30% market penetration in defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025. The projected market penetration of 30% across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025 highlights the transformative impact of technological advancements in changing geopolitical dynamics. This analysis explores the anticipated developments within these sectors driven by innovation and evolving consumer demands. 1. Defense Industry Insights. The defense sector is poised for substantial growth driven by escalating geopolitical tensions and a heightened focus on advanced technologies. In 2023, global defense expenditures surpassed $2.4 trillion. With further increases expected as nations prioritize technological advancements such as unmanned systems and artificial intelligence (AI). The U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) has proposed an $849.8 billion budget for fiscal 2025, emphasizing investments in unmanned systems, space capabilities, and AI-driven supply chain optimization. By 2025, companies are expected to operationalize AI technologies to enhance maintenance processes and optimize logistics. This shift towards digital transformation will enable defense contractors to streamline operations and improve efficiency, which is crucial in a rapidly evolving threat landscape. 2. Agriculture sector developments. The agriculture market is projected to grow significantly, reaching approximately $15.5 trillion by 2025, with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 7.9%. This growth is primarily driven by rising global food demand resulting from an increasing population expected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050. Additionally, consumers are shifting towards healthier diets, further impacting agricultural practices. Technological innovations, particularly in precision agriculture, are set to enhance efficiency and sustainability. For instance, the integration of AI agricultural drones and digital farming platforms will allow for real-time monitoring of crop health and soil conditions, ultimately improving yields and reducing environmental impacts. As companies adopt data-driven farming practices, the agriculture sector will experience a paradigm shift towards automation and sustainability. 3. Surveillance industry trends. The surveillance industry is experiencing growth parallel to the defense and agriculture sectors, especially concerning the use of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) for various applications. The convergence of interests in drone technologies across these sectors signifies a broader trend towards automation and real-time data acquisition. By 2025, the demand for surveillance technologies, particularly in urban environments, is expected to rise significantly. Enhanced capabilities in surveillance will not only support law enforcement and security efforts but also play a crucial role in agricultural monitoring, enabling farmers to optimize crop management and resource allocation. 4. Common themes across sectors. Across defense, agriculture, and surveillance, several common themes are emerging. Integration of AI and automation. The operationalization of AI technologies for predictive analytics and automation is a common thread. In defense, AI will optimize logistics and maintenance, while in agriculture it will enhance crop management and resource planning. Focus on sustainability. There is a significant emphasis on sustainable practices across all sectors. The agriculture industry is moving towards precision farming to minimize environmental impact, while defense is exploring sustainable technologies in unmanned systems. Geopolitical and economic drivers. The global landscape, characterized by geopolitical tensions and economic shifts, is influencing investment and spending priorities across these industries. Increased defense spending is a direct response to global security challenges, while agricultural advancements are driven by food security concerns. 5. Key events timeline. 2023, global defense spending exceeds $2.4 trillion. Significant investments in unmanned systems and digital technologies commence. 2024, the aerospace and defense sector sees recovery in air travel. Agriculture begins adopting precision farming technologies. 2025, projected market sizes reach $849.8 billion in defense and $15.5 trillion in agriculture, with a 30% penetration of advanced technologies. Conclusion. By 2025, the integration of advanced technologies across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance sectors will redefine market dynamics, facilitating a robust interlinking of operational capabilities. The anticipated growth trajectory will be characterized by a strong emphasis on AI, unmanned systems, and sustainable practices, ultimately shaping the future of these industries. As organizations embrace digital transformation, they will be better positioned to address global challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities in the evolving marketplace.